Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. It's a quick catch up. It is today, Saturday, the 8th of April. As you can see here, these are my pelargoniums. They're all looking really nice. Lavender, ivy white, classic fire, ivy red, and classic. They're all looking really nice. Come up here, we have beautiful viola, going really well. Next to my delphiniums there. These will have to dry out because I've been laid up for a couple of days. I had a tooth removed, one in back teeth, and they had to leave off the rooting, so it's been absolute agony while it heals up. So I've not been out for a few days. When I came in this morning, I had to give everything in really good water. Everything seems to be recovering well. These are my pinks, my carnations. They're all starting to look really, really nice. And then here we have my genums, blazing sunset, I think they're called. They're looking really nice. Come over here, my lobelia, managed to survive, which is brilliant. Tomatoes at the back there, and some chilies. Then we have my verbena. These are going to look really nice in the garden. I'm looking forward to planting those. And some delphiniums at the back there. All in all, everything is growing really, really nicely. Really well. Yeah, gypsophilia at the back there. Petunias haven't done very well. Neither has my echinacea. I might get a few out of those. But here at the front we have my dahlias. And then here we have some sweet peas at the back there. And Jamaica, dahlia, penstemons, they're only potting on. As you can see, they've been in the sun then. Those arboreteums, so which I don't think are going to survive. With my good water, hopefully they might do, but we'll soon find out. Then to spin around here, we have my dahlias. They're all looking really nice. Petunias from Thompson and Morgan, and they're all looking really, really well. As you can see, these were the larger plugs, and the small ones at the back, but as you can see, they really catch up really quickly. And they're all going to look really nice in the baskets. Then I have my begonias at the back there. They're all looking apricot shades. They're coming along nicely with the petunia in the middle there. And my perennial geraniums, blue something, I forget the exact name of them. And then we have here Veronicas. We've got 3 here, 1 there, 2, 3, which is great. And then my polyanthus, which is going to look really nice. Then we have my bee balm. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 or 8 of those that have survived, which is brilliant. Can't wait to get them planted out. Some zinnias here, some gadicias, and hopefully the mice problem has gone. I keep leaving the door open to the greenhouse, and hopefully that's got rid of the mice problem. I'm not seeing any more damage since I've been leaving the door open for the cats to come in and out. So yeah, that's everything. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my monkey's greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.